Welcome to Treatment Explainer, your source for insightful knowledge on various health topics. In today's episode, we delve into the realm of sleep disorders and explore how to cure insomnia using natural remedies. If you've ever struggled to fall asleep or stay asleep, you're not alone. Insomnia affects millions of people worldwide, wreaking havoc on their physical and mental well-being. But fear not, for this video will provide you with effective solutions to combat insomnia and achieve restful nights naturally. So, let's dive in and discover the secrets to a blissful slumber. Insomnia, a sleep disorder characterized by difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, affects millions of people worldwide. In fact, studies show that approximately 30% of adults experience symptoms of insomnia at some point in their lives. The impact of insomnia goes far beyond restless nights. It can lead to daytime fatigue, decreased productivity, mood disturbances, and even increased risk of accidents. It's a silent struggle that affects both physical and mental well-being. To truly understand the toll of insomnia, let's take a closer look at Sarah's life. Sarah, a hard-working professional, found herself trapped in a relentless cycle of sleepless nights. She would lie awake in bed, her mind racing with thoughts and worries. The next day, she would feel exhausted, unable to focus or perform at her best. Sarah's relationships suffered as well, as her irritability and fatigue took a toll on her interactions with loved ones. She desperately sought a solution to reclaim her restful nights and regain control of her life. Sarah's story is just one example of the countless individuals battling insomnia. But there is hope. In the following sections, we will explore natural remedies that can help alleviate insomnia and pave the way to peaceful nights of sleep. To effectively address insomnia, it's important to understand its nature and recognize its symptoms. Insomnia is characterized by persistent difficulty initiating or maintaining sleep, despite having the opportunity and desire to sleep. Common symptoms include difficulty falling asleep, waking up frequently during the night, waking up too early in the morning, and experiencing non-restorative sleep. People with insomnia often feel tired upon waking, have trouble concentrating, and may experience mood disturbances. It's crucial to identify these signs to seek appropriate remedies and restore healthy sleep patterns. Let's meet John, who has been battling insomnia for years. Every night, he would lie in bed, staring at the ceiling, desperate for sleep to embrace him. Unfortunately, the lack of restful nights took a toll on his daily life. John found himself struggling with daytime fatigue, affecting his ability to concentrate at work and engage in activities he once enjoyed. The constant exhaustion left him feeling irritable and drained, impacting his relationships with family and friends. John knew he had to find a solution that went beyond temporary fixes and medications. John's experience highlights the pervasive impact insomnia can have on various aspects of life. But rest assured, natural remedies exist to tackle this sleep disorder head-on. In the upcoming sections, we will delve into these remedies, empowering you with the knowledge to overcome insomnia and reclaim peaceful sleep. When it comes to combating insomnia naturally, herbal remedies can offer a gentle yet effective solution. Two popular options are valerian root and chamomile. Valerian root has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. It works by increasing the levels of a neurotransmitter called GABA, which helps calm the nervous system. Chamomile, known for its soothing properties, contains compounds that can reduce anxiety and promote sleepiness. Enjoying a cup of chamomile tea before bedtime can help prepare your mind and body for a restful night's sleep. Creating a conducive sleep environment and following a consistent bedtime routine are crucial lifestyle adjustments for addressing insomnia. Practice good sleep hygiene by ensuring your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid stimulating activities, such as using electronic devices or consuming caffeine, close to bedtime. Establish a relaxing routine that signals to your body it's time to wind down. This may include activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques. By prioritizing sleep and implementing these habits, you can train your body to recognize and respond to the cues that promote deep, uninterrupted rest. Mindfulness techniques can be powerful tools in combating insomnia and calming the mind. Meditation, the practice of focusing your attention and eliminating distracting thoughts, can promote relaxation and reduce anxiety that may hinder sleep. Deep breathing exercises, such as diaphragmatic breathing or the 4-7-8 technique, help activate the body's natural relaxation response. These techniques shift your focus to your breath, helping you let go of racing thoughts and induce a sense of tranquility. Incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine can cultivate a state of calm that carries over into your sleep, aiding in the battle against insomnia. By exploring these natural remedies, we uncover a world of possibilities for overcoming insomnia. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the science behind these approaches and discover additional strategies to improve sleep naturally. Understanding the science behind how natural remedies aid sleep can provide valuable insights. Herbal remedies like valerian root and chamomile interact with receptors in the brain, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. These natural compounds help regulate the sleep-wake cycle, allowing for a smoother transition into restful sleep. Lifestyle adjustments, such as practicing good sleep hygiene and following a bedtime routine, create an environment conducive to sleep. Consistency and routine help regulate the body's internal clock, optimizing sleep quality. Mindfulness techniques, like meditation and deep breathing, engage the relaxation response, calming the nervous system and preparing the mind for restorative sleep. By tapping into the science behind these remedies, we can unlock the secrets to overcoming insomnia naturally. Your bedroom plays a crucial role in promoting quality sleep. Creating a comfortable sleep environment can significantly impact your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Start by ensuring your bedroom is a sanctuary dedicated to rest and relaxation. Opt for a supportive mattress and pillows that suit your preferences. Control the lighting with blackout curtains or eye masks to eliminate distractions. Choose soothing colors and minimize clutter to cultivate a sense of calm. Additionally, maintain a comfortable temperature and adequate airflow to optimize sleep conditions. By transforming your bedroom into a sleep haven, you set the stage for restorative nights of slumber. The impact of electronic devices and exposure to artificial light on sleep cannot be overstated. The blue light emitted by screens interferes with the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. To promote healthy sleep, establish a digital curfew by avoiding electronic devices for at least an hour before bed. Dim the lights in your home and opt for warm, gentle lighting in the evening. Consider using blue light filters or wearing blue light blocking glasses if you must use electronic devices at night. By reducing light exposure and limiting screen time, you signal to your body that it's time to unwind and prepare for a peaceful night of rest. A sleep-enhancing environment goes beyond aesthetics. It sets the stage for rejuvenation and tranquility. In the upcoming sections, we will explore additional healthy habits that contribute to optimal sleep and delve further into the importance of a holistic approach to curing insomnia naturally. Engaging in regular physical activity not only benefits your overall health but also promotes better sleep. Exercise helps to reduce stress and anxiety, enhances mood, and increases the production of endorphins, which contribute to a sense of well-being. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week, but be mindful not to exercise too close to bedtime, as it can have an energizing effect. Finding activities you enjoy, such as walking, swimming, or yoga, can make exercise more sustainable and enjoyable. By incorporating regular exercise into your routine, you can pave the way for more restful nights and improved sleep quality. Your dietary choices can significantly impact your sleep patterns. Maintain a balanced diet rich in whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates. Avoid heavy meals close to bedtime, as they can cause discomfort and disrupt sleep. Be mindful of your caffeine intake, limiting it especially in the afternoon and evening, as caffeine is a stimulant that can interfere with falling asleep. Similarly, alcohol may initially make you feel drowsy but can disrupt sleep later in the night. Opt for soothing beverages like herbal tea or warm milk instead. By nourishing your body with a balanced diet and avoiding sleep-disrupting substances, you provide the foundation for a more restorative sleep experience. Healthy habits are essential companions on the journey to overcoming insomnia naturally. If you found this information valuable and insightful, we invite you to engage with our channel further. Like this video, leave a comment sharing your thoughts or any tips you have for combating insomnia naturally. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on future videos dedicated to improving your well-being. If you know someone who struggles with insomnia, share this video with them and help them discover the transformative power of natural remedies. Together, let's spread awareness and empower others to achieve restful nights and wake up refreshed.